What up, traders? Sorry, I didn't see you guys coming in. What up, traders? What up, investors? Sorry, I was just chewing on my delicious turkey jerky from Kirkland Brands, aka Costco. Sponsor? Anyways, sorry. It's delicious. I'm not eating the whole bag. I'm not a fat, you know what. A little snacky snack throughout the day. I might show out Kirkland's trail mix on the next video. So, anyways. Throw that over there. Before we get started, we're talking about Nio, about those mother truckers, and as well as some of the Chinese other car manufacturers on their deliveries for January. We want to look at, again, 2 affiliate links down below. First of all, definitely slam that like button, then go ahead, head down to click on the Discord link. The Discord link will take you to the best Discord in all the lands. We have great stuff going on there. We talk about Costco snacks all the time, yoga, all the kinds of things. First of all, Amazon books. Again, if you want to support the channel, we have an affiliate link down below. Check out this book. This book is one of my favorites. I bought this many years ago. Beautiful spiral notebook, and it goes into all the different various options plays, and it explains on the theta behind it, the process behind it, and everything. Great little book. Check it down in the description below. And last but not least, if you're interested in trading, taking the practice you learned from the book and putting into principle, fantastic trading account. What I use for stocks, options, and now cryptos is Tastyworks. Tastyworks, if you open an account of $2,000 or more, you have an ability to select 10 options or 100 free shares. So bada bing, bada bing. What are you waiting for? Click down that link down below if you want to help support the channel. All right, without that being further ado, getting all that jazz out of the way here, looking at Nio Deliveries. All right, so what, sorry, beef jerky stuck in my teeth here. Actually, it's not beef jerky. I guess it's turkey jerky. Why do they call it beef jerky? Anyways, deliveries. So the Chinese manufactured car company Nio delivered 7,225 vehicles for January, more than 4 times the number of cars delivered during the same month last year. That's impressive. And then, of course, XPEB. I like how just the nuance of the words they use in this article is XPEB said. They said. Nio said. It's not like there's a proven document of saying like, hey, this is actually a fact sheet. This is what's actually happened. Again, coming around earnings, we'll get a little bit more accurate. But again, just to be fully in mind, these are all these Chinese startup companies, especially Nio has taken off since last summer. We'll look at the chart here in a little bit. Is it trying to head to all-time highs, or could it potentially sink back down to $50? There's going to be something to really to look at with that understanding. Of course, Nio has been called the Tesla of China, which kind of hurts me a little bit, honestly. It's no one can really replace Tesla. It's like it's my bae, you know, like you can't do that. But with Tesla being into the market, getting in the market, and now also making the Model Y in Japan and China has really ramped up things. So that being said, Nio, let's see look at the chart here. Popping over to Think or Swim here, looking at the Nio chart. It is a little in consolidation mode, as someone would say. Again, we hit that high around 66.99, aka, let's just be, we're all friends here, $67. That was into that huge run up for their their demo day, their investor day, whatever I think what the catchphrase was, where they showed off the new cars, the new sedan, and other various functions of the company, how they're doing, their battery technology. They're potentially trying to get to the solid state batteries in 2022, then going into deep diving into the new automated sedan. They had some fantastic music. They had delicious looking food there. I think I saw food there. But anyways, I think about food quite a bit. That being said, Hitting that high up here, it kind of came right. It hasn't really seen that level for some time. Again, we had a little bit of a pop up here on the end of January, but then it kind of came right back down again to that 21 EMA. And now we've kind of been meandering, ping-ponging around that 21 to 34 EMA. So we have some short-term support coming in around like $55 to $54. I keep on doing this with my hands. I don't have Parkinson's. No pun intended to anyone who does. I'm just like saying maybe so. That being said, if we do get a bounce here, the next move could happen again. The reason why I made the video just like, is it going to go to 70 or 50? Not trying to be extreme like that, or sorry, like 70 or 40, because the RSI and volumes on oscillator are just very much blah. There is no heartbeat right now in either side of this. We really have to see maybe at the potential move up to $62.27. As you can see here, we have that trend that's kind of being pushed down. It's like trying to put a basketball in the water and trying to keep it underwater, but if you don't, it just kind of pops back up. That's kind of like what's going on here with NIO here. We're having those parabolic SAR dots here currently above. They are slowing down and actually coming down to the ticks. So if we do get that day where we get a nice explosion, sorry, I just punched you in the face, and high five, giving the movement into that level, that would be a pretty good sign to see. But that being said, that 62.27 level is not just a made-up level. That's a Fibonacci number that we're talking about here, ladies and gentlemen. Because we've seen that kind of really going at these levels here has failed a couple times here. Again, we never have closed above it. So this is the key premise that we were looking at here. Again, we have broken through it intraday, but we've always have been basically only closed this one day here, and then every other day has been closed below it. So we really need to see that volume come in. Again, we talk about that middle finger volume bar here. Look at this. You have the first knuckle here, then the middle finger, and then the third knuckle. We always talk about this. This is that FOMO. That is that overall just everyone getting too giddy. Everyone just passing around the candy bars and just eating away and just getting all sugar high here. That being said, it's kind of some come down to earth. We have had the longer day moving averages kind of come into compression here and allowing us to potentially get a nice buying opportunity if you're going to be long or short. In speaking my own book, I am not doing anything too aggressive in NIO because I'm a little sus about the whole market in China, to be quite honest with you. I will be selling some premium in this stock, most likely selling some puts around the 50 or 55, depending on where things are going. That's just speaking my own book. You can do anything in this God willing earth because you are a free person, and I hope depending where you live. But that being said, the reason why I like this that $55 to $56 level, that was a previous breakout, and once we had that really strong pullback, we kind of came into that $57 to $55 level, and we do talk about it quite a bit. That 21 to 34 EMA here, that could be a potential buy zone, because you can kind of see here the tails of the ticks have just kind of been touching it. It's just like dipping your toe in the water. They're like, ooh, I don't want to go down there. It's too cold. I don't want to go down to 55. That's going to be too cold of a water. I'm just wearing my Speedo here. I'm not going in that water. I didn't bring my wetsuit for this one. That being said, if we do get a bounce here, we're going to be looking for some initial overhead resistance around that 62.27. But if that doesn't break through it, we can easily come back down to 57. If some other, God forbid, some kind of news comes out and the stock just tanks because they're like, oops, it wasn't actually 7,000 deliveries. We actually added the 0 to the end. Now it's only 700, whatever. I don't know. Just make up the news, whatever could happen. It could easily come back down to the next initial level, basically around the 50-day, could be around $52 to $50 to the downside. With that being said, be very, very mindful of your trading in this. Looking here on the weekly side, like again, this stock was way over here at $3 to $2 just this summer. Has ramped up pretty aggressively here. Looking at the momentum side, again, momentum is the 5 and 8 moving average on any kind of time frame. So if you're a longer dated investor and you're looking at the weekly chart, guess what? It hit your level, you mother trucker. I don't know why I said mother trucker like 17 times this video. that being said, it came down to that $54 level, and guess what? It touched it. This little ticky tap tap in that range. This is, again, has been a very strong line of resistance, and the path of least resistance is trying to go up. So I'm not going to be yelling from a big blowhorn and a megaphone saying, hey, everyone, let's buy NIO here. But it's something to look at. Again, it's a trade most likely for me because, again, I'm selling premium. I'm not going to be dumping in money in the long stay investing because, again, I don't want to speak my own book. I'm in Tesla pretty aggressively. So that being said, I really do hope that this was educational, that you actually learned something today. If you did, I greatly appreciate it if you hit the like button and the subscribe before you leave. And again, check out those affiliate links and the Discord link. Again, the Discord link takes you to our fantastic Discord, which we always have a ball of a day. Again, let's look at this, okay? We have some great people talking how AMC is going to the moon. Look at this. This is fantastic. Let me get this out of the way. Look at the yeah, the moon's below. It's just fantastic. We got the meme channel. We got the live stock channel. We have a fantastic bot that we're talking to that helps look at some particular trades and other various things, and people are kind of learning that config there. Anyways, guys, thank you so very much for coming by, and I hope you a blessed day, and I'll catch you guys on the flip side. Peace.